Hey, if you want to pair your Sennheiser MOMENTUM 4 with your Windows PC or laptop, first of all, you will have to locate the power button. It's just right here. And you have to be sure that your headphones are turned off. Next, you have to click and hold on this power button and wait until this indicator starts blinking. So keep holding. And now you can finally release. Next, on your Windows PC, you just have to go to the Windows settings. I have this quick connection, but I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. For the people who doesn't have this notification for sure. Then go to the Bluetooth and devices and turn on the Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher. Next, click to add device. Select the Bluetooth device and select your Sennheiser MOMENTUM 4, and we have to pick this one with the audio description. When you pick this one, you will be not connected. So click on this headphones with the headphones icon and then click done. And right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.